It's Primrose and welcome back. So, to tell you the truth, I am feeling a little bit lost lately because of the slight change in the name of the channel from my small space indoor garden to my daily flow. And only because I wanted to share more of the stuff that I love, just to simply put it. And I admit it's a little bit more challenging than making plant videos. So I really appreciate you coming and still supporting me in my channel. And yeah, so thank you so much.
And my journey to reconnect with nature has begun, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. And as you might have seen in my previous post or videos, we were away for a holiday in the Philippines, which is my country of birth, and I just fell in love with the beautiful white sand beaches, the crystal clear waters, the lush mountains. It was a paradise out there. And showing you this beautiful place is my way of inviting you guys to step away and be with nature. We know our daily grind can be too much to handle sometimes. Stresses keeps piling up on top of one another, and the hustle and bustle of city life, we need to step away from all of this for once, and I promise you it will do you a lot of good, and you will just feel different. You will be a completely happy, vibrant person. And to be honest, after this holiday, I feel like I appreciate life even more. I appreciate my health even more, and I actually feel like I care better now. I care deeply for Mother Nature, and you have to be out there to be able to feel that kind of connection, to just to fall in love with the beauty around you, the life around you. This is the famous island, the beautiful island of Boracay, and this is one of the many famous destination in the Philippines. The place was closed in October 2018 for rehabilitation and reopened in April 2019. And currently, some laws are in place for the protection of the environment. And one thing that we have noticed is that people are not allowed to bring food and drinks on the beach, and also partying after sundown is not allowed anymore, which was a very famous thing back then. During our short stay here, I saw that we can do more as an individual. We can only implement so many rules as we want, but if the people are not uh, do not have deep connection with Mother Nature, it's difficult to deeply care for Mother Nature, and it's going to be a continuing problem. Plastic everywhere. So I actually freed an octopus that was trapped inside one of these plastic bags that I picked up during one of our afternoon walk on the beach, and it's quite sad. Um, so I think this is where we can pick sides. It's either we are part of the solution or we are part of the problem. So, this is an invitation, guys. This is a challenge, and I mean it in every positive way possible. And, like they have said, you do not have to go out there and make big things to create an impact. And I think this is my way of doing it. So, here are a few steps to start. So, number one, I think, is that we have to be responsible and let's keep our trash where they belong.
Be very careful what product to pick.
We can choose beauty products that supports the environment, products that does not contain synthetic chemicals or microbeads that can contribute to the acidification of our oceans and harm our marine life. Remember that what's good for the environment is also good for you.
Of course, we would feel more comfortable soaking under the sun if we have some kind of protection. It's really important, especially if you do sunbathing or enjoy the beach during midday when the sun is high up in the sky and the sun rays is more harmful during that time of day. So you wanted to have some kind of protection. We all know our skin is the largest organ in the body, and anything and everything that you put into your skin can get circulated into our whole system. And we have this what we call the accumulation or the accumulative effect, which usually happens in the end. And our body can just do so much flushing it out of our system, but if we don't support our body to our detoxifying organ with the correct food, and we keep putting the same toxic ingredients from our beauty products into our skin, we are just adding so much unnecessary burden into our body. So here I picked this. I'm not trying to promote this product, but this is what we used. And my husband has fair skin and he gets burned easily. Unlike us, we have brown skin and we have more buffering system. We don't get burned um, easily. So this is what we've used and it was very effective. So it's it's free from SLS and all other harmful ingredients, and it's not tested on animals. That's another thing that I looked in the product. So these are by the way of skin protection. We also got this one. I don't know if you can see that. So this is like mostly for mosquitoes, to keep mosquitoes off from your skin. And it's all natural ingredients and it's good for a vegan. It's got the ethical award, so I believe that is this product is not tested on animals as well. um Also, this is good for um, as a moisturizer, and it's also good for cooling the skin after being in the sun for a long time. And other alternative, like to treat any um, skin burn, yeah, sunburn, is this one. It's from aloe pura as well. It's um all from natural ingredients. I think This video, guys, will be a little bit long, so please get yourself something to drink. I have a cup of tea here. And since we have been talking about warmer weather and fun under the sun, these traveled with me all throughout our journey in the Philippines as a water jug. And it's important to stay hydrated all the time. Headache is the one of the many undesirable effect of dehydration. So get one of these. But if you can get a lighter version, like a stainless steel, because this is a glass, so it's a lot heavier, and it was just on my backpack all the time. And yeah, so that's one thing that was really useful when we traveled. So during our travel, I fell in love with beautiful white beaches, but it's just sad that majority of us still do not have that connection with nature. And everywhere we went, almost every fast food chain still they still use this thing here, and I'm talking about plastic straws. So this one, we have been using this for over a year now. It's a ceramic straw, so it's reusable. But we brought this one with us. It's a stainless steel. But it's very lightweight and it's very easy to clean, because it it's gonna accumulate, build up after some time, especially when you use it for drinking smoothies. And but you can buy this. It's a, what do you call this, a scrub that you can just put in there to clean it up. So my battle with plastic, guys, has begun, and we brought this thing with us. Everywhere we went, I asked if their spoons were made of plastic, and I just opted out for that one.
It's vegan.
It's vegan, that's right. Coconut made with real coconut. Thank you.
It's not plastic.
So it's really important to have something like this. It's a wooden fork, by the way, but it helped us a lot. We visited some markets while we were there, and we enjoyed tropical fruits so much. And yeah, so if you could bring one of this, Mother Nature will be really happy. Oh dear, it's dripping. Sometimes it's just difficult to find like a really clean toilet if you're traveling. I'm not saying that this is only in the Philippines or some parts of the world. I think wherever you go, sometimes it's just difficult to find a clean toilet. So this was really helpful. And this is a biodegradable material. It's a hand wipe, just to keep your hands clean whenever you cannot find anywhere else to wash your hands. So I'm gonna end the video here, and I hope you find the video useful. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!